Ronnie from Old Timey Gospel Acoustic Lessons, and I've got a song here called Just As I Am, and it's a song, invitation song to play in church that a lot of us got saved by. And if you're hearing this song sometime and get convicted, just get down on your knees and pray to the Lord, ask for forgiveness, and kind of go by these words, kind of get something out of it, give your heart to the Lord. Just as I am, without one plea, but that thy blood was shed for me, and that thou bidst come to thee, O Lamb of God, I come, just as I am, and waiting not to rid my soul of one dark blot, to thee whose blood can cleanse each spot, O Lamb of God, I come, I come. Just as I am, though tossed about with many a conflict, many a doubt, fighting and fears within, without, O Lamb of God, I come, I come. Hello, this is Ronnie from Old Timey Gospel Acoustic Lessons, and I've got a little tune right here to teach you how to play real quick. If I can, it's in the key of the G chord family, but I've got the capo on the 4th fret, so that puts us in the key of B, G, A, and B. This would be A if I did it here. So anyway, puts us in the key of B, and play, the chords go like this. Just as, this is G, I am without, that's D chord, 1, 3, back to G, but that thy blood, and chord C now, was shed for me, and that thou bidst me come to thee, O Lamb of God, I come. Then I go to D7 right here. That's 2, 3, and 1. I come. It just kind of lets you know that you're going to the G chord. So anyway, I'll try to teach you this little ditty right here. I call everything a ditty when it's a kind of like some lead notes. But anyway, and just going and follow the notes, follow the melody of each verse. There's 4 verses, and all 4 of them are the same. And this is just something I learned and taught myself how to do. So this note just, and go to D note. backwards, and hammer on, and going to the D chord, hitting the D note, going to D and then the A, then the C chord, and hitting that note right there, which is the D string, and then pulling off the same note, and then I do this. Let's see. Anyway, friends, it's really hard to teach that, but I hope you got it. About as good as I can do on how to teach you that, but anyway, I really appreciate you all for liking, commenting, and subscribing to my channel. Y'all keep it up. Thanks, and God bless.